everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and this is my first video of 2019. Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a lovely holiday. I'm finally feeling a little back into the swing of things. At least I'm trying to push myself there. I'm still feeling like I'm in vacation mode, but bear with me. I'll be having the videos rolling out as usual pretty soon. If you follow me on Instagram, then you were privy to the fact that I was doing a giveaway for the interlocking tool that I promoted by LOCS, and I have a giveaway winner for you, randomly selected. The name is April Battle. April Battle, congratulations April Battle. Please reach out to me with your shipping information and I will send you your LOCS interlocking tool. And I hope you enjoy it. I hope it makes your interlocking process much faster. Please, everyone, congratulate April Battle in the comments below. That'll be really appreciated by me, and I'm sure April too. If you didn't win, I'm sorry, but I do intend on having more giveaways this year, whether it's something from a collaboration or from my own shop. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure that you add yourself to my mailing list because I'll primarily be doing giveaways via my mailing list, okay? So check the description box below. I know I have a lot of content in my description box, but you'll find the link to sign up for my mailing list in my description, so check it out. So a quick preview of 2019 as far as my channel. I'm not gonna promise videos once a week like I tried to do last time. And, you know, I've been on YouTube since the beginning of YouTube, but I've been documenting my lock journey since the very beginning. So at this point, I'm 8.5 years locked. And, you know, as you can imagine, it's kind of difficult coming up with content on a very regular basis. So I'm not going to force it. I'd rather make videos when I feel inspired instead. But definitely leave me a comment below and let me know what sort of videos you want to see. If you have any recommendations, I greatly appreciate it. That'll make my life a lot easier if you have any recommendations, and I can make videos based on that. Maybe I'll, you know, reboot my Lock Talk series where, you know, you guys ask very specific questions and I answer based on my opinion and my research. So yeah, if you have any questions for a Lock Talk series, leave those questions below as well. As far as my own locks, you know, I feel like my locks, they need, you know, a break. So I'll be wearing my infinity head wraps for a while until I feel like I want to free them again. But right now I'm rocking my infinity head wrap, and it's called, this particular design I called Another Life. And it's named after the song by D'Angelo, Another Life, off his third album. And for you guys, if you didn't know, if you didn't realize, all of my infinity head wraps are named after songs that I adore. So if that's what if you're ever wondering what are these names all about, they're all songs by different artists, by some of my favorite artists. I do currently have infinity head wraps in stock. They're not fully stocked, so definitely check back if the infinity head wraps that you want is not in stock. It'll be back in stock most likely, and I try to keep the stock up to date monthly, so definitely check back if I don't have the one that you want. But yeah, definitely check out the shop to see, you know, if there's any head wraps that you like, any new ones, because I definitely do bring new ones to the shop, you know, quarterly, about quarterly. And if you didn't know already, these infinity head wraps are super versatile. This is my favorite way to wear it, but there's so many different ways to wear it. I have a video detailing different ways that I came up with on how to wear them. But yeah, the options are limitless because of the design of it. And for some of you who may have graduated from infinity head wraps, you know, I feel like infinity head wraps are a really good starter head wrap because they're so simple and easy to use, and you can, you know, use them so many different ways. But for those of you who have graduated and want to use like actual open head wraps that you can wrap differently, I'm seriously considering bringing regular head wraps to my shop. Let me know if you're interested in African head wraps, or if you're just interested in, like, you know, the more stretchy material similar to this kind of head wrap. You know, the African head wraps are very taut and tough. The material is very is a lot heavier than these. These are more lightweight. So let me know if you like African head wraps or if you'd like the stretchy, more cottony ones, which I honestly prefer. And I may have those pretty soon. And you know, head wraps are not just for women or men with long locks. You can definitely wear these with short locks, and it's an easy way to jazz up your look. But yeah, again, back to my locks. I intended on doing a length check for the end of 2018. That didn't happen. I forgot. So I'll be doing a length check very soon. Hopefully this month I'll have a length check video out soon, so you guys will see where I am. This May I will be 9 years locked. I'll be 9 years locked officially on May 15th. So I'm looking forward to that. You know, 9 is a year of completion, you know, according to numerology. And no, that does not mean that I'll be cutting my locks off at 9 years officially. That's not gonna happen. You know, for a while I was saying, you know, I'm gonna grow my locks forever, you know. And after I got over that, I was saying, you know, I'm gonna grow my locks till 10 years, and then, you know, I want to rock an afro. At this point, I'm just like, I love my locks. I'm gonna keep them until I feel like I'm ready for that change, but I'm not there. I'm not there. My locks aren't going anywhere anytime soon. So, you know, at one point in December, my locks were looking and feeling kind of dull. So I did do an apple cider vinegar soak on them, and my locks instantly felt revived. They looked more shiny and they were softer. So if you feel like your locks are feeling and looking dull, I definitely recommend an apple cider vinegar soak or a rinse. And basically all you have to do, I mean, there's a lot of different recipes out here on Instagram and on the net, but I like to keep it simple with it. I just mix apple cider vinegar and water. Sometimes I'll mist my hair with it after it's been fully saturated with water, or I'll put it in the sink or the tub or a bowl, and I'll, you know, soak my locks in it for until I'm just ready to rinse it out. I have videos on that, so definitely check those out. Search Keisha Charmaine apple cider vinegar, Keisha Charmaine ACV, and you'll see different videos that I've created on how I did my deep cleanse, my detox with the apple cider vinegar, and you know, you can see different things that I've done. But this most recently, I filled up my sink with water, and I poured in about a cup, maybe 2 cups of, probably about a cup and a half of apple cider vinegar in my sink, and I just soaked it in there, and I used my hands and just worked it in, massaged my scalp with it with my fingers, and I really just worked it into my locks, and that's all I did. And then I rinsed it out in the shower. I didn't use any shampoo afterwards. You know, my hair did smell slightly of apple cider vinegar afterwards, but once it completely dried, it didn't have any smell at all. So I know that's a concern a lot of people have with apple cider vinegar soaks and rinses. You can either just, you know, after you do the rinse, you can, you know, wash your hair with a smell good shampoo, or you can just, you know, make sure you sun dry it, make sure the sun dries it, or you can make sure just that it fully dries so that that apple cider vinegar smell doesn't stay. But make sure you rinse it out thoroughly, okay? Because if you don't rinse it out thoroughly, you know, even if you dry it completely, it's still gonna have that slight scent that you don't want. So I definitely recommend that you rinse it out completely, especially if you're not going to be using a shampoo afterward. So now, as far as me, if anybody cares, I mean, if all you watch me, I know most of you guys just watch me for my locks and stuff, so if that's all you watch me for, you can exit the video now, because now I'm going to be talking about me a little bit. So as far as 2019 and me and my endeavors, I mean, I'm always going to be, you know, working hard to, you know, level up and stuff, but I feel like this year I want to, you know, dedicate to, you know, taking it easy. At the same time, my word of the year, the theme of the year is discipline. So I'm going to make sure that, you know, I don't procrastinate as much as I usually do, and I procrastinate a lot, and that is a lot due to the fact that I am self-employed and I don't have a boss, you know, on my back micromanaging me, making sure I do everything in a timely manner. And the reason why I tend to slack is because I don't have the discipline that I do want and need for my own self. So I'm going to be working on my discipline. I want to be more structured, you know. I mean, I have like a, you know, big calendar for the month, and I want to make sure that I, you know, plug in everything that I really want to get done. And I find that when I write things down, I'm more likely to achieve those things. I like making lists every day, so I'm going to be really doing that heavily. But at the same time, I don't want to put so much pressure on myself, so I'm going to take things easy this year, count my blessings, be open to receive, and, you know, just be grateful and appreciative of life, because life is so beautiful. It's so abundant. I'm just a really grateful person, and I want to make sure that that stays on the forefront. I don't want to be consumed with the things I don't have, the things I haven't achieved yet. It doesn't matter. I'm here, and I'm just grateful for it, for being here, to be able to experience beautiful life. And that's really all I have to say. My battery's about to die right on time. Thank you all for watching. Congratulations again, April Battle. And yeah, thanks for sticking with me in 2019. New subscribers, shout out to you. I see you. Appreciate you. I appreciate the old subscribers as well. Check out my shop, lovelightlocs.storeenvy.com. Follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.